what is it which gives you the sensation of having some particular weight? And if you think about it, there's two factors involved. It's the force due to gravity acting on you, plus the reaction force from the ground upwards on you to balance it. That's what gives you the impression of weight. And all that is doing is basically it's compressing your joints and so on, and you can feel the sensation of that. Because if you think about it, if you jump out of an aircraft, then if there was no air resistance to supply this reaction force, as long as you kept falling, you'd get the impression of being completely weightless. So you need both of them to give you the impression of weight. Let's have a look at this little example here. What we've got is a vertical track and a motorbike going around it at a constant speed. And the question is, what are all the forces that are acting on it? It's going around in a circle at a constant speed. And so one thing that we do know about the problem is that if you can find all the forces and add them all up, then at any point in time on the circuit, the total force must come to mv squared over r, and that force that you calculate has got to act towards the center all the time. So even though you don't know what all the forces are, you do know if you add them all up, it's got to come to that. And of course that is called the centripetal force. So what forces do we know? Well, we know there's a force due to gravity acting downwards. We know there's a reaction force from the road or the track surface coming upwards. And we know that force